Hi everyone, it's another travel hacks from me from Hope for the World TV. Alright, the next time you travel, I want you to consider on bringing a small bag in addition to your personal or carry-on bags. This will help you during the security process as you can put your wallet, your coin purse, your jewelries, your belt in one small bag. This is to facilitate and make it easier for you to go through that scanning, and I don't want you to get that beeping sound. Alright, thank you and bye bye.